In every generation of every family, there is one person that is born carrying an unequal amount of the emotional and energetic burden of their lineage. In an intact culture, this person would be recognized for bearing a gift, a seed, the potential to become the healer of their family line. This potential would be cultivated, and the individual guided to learn how to use this gift to heal their personal and ancestral wounds, as well as guide others in their own process of healing. This understanding has been lost in our modern society, and instead, those bearing this gift are criticized, belittled, ostracized for the very sensitivity that would make them exceptional healers. They become the black sheep of their families and communities. The flowering war is a companion, a guide, and a roadmap for those that have carried too much and been seen too little. It is for those I've come to know as grief-bearers, the potential healers of generations of untended wounds and accumulated trauma. It is for those would-be healers consumed by self-criticism and self-doubt. For those wrestling with addiction and self-destruction. It is a light to guide them out of the darkness. The flowering war is for those that are determined to break the harmful patterns of their lives and their lineages. It draws on the ancestral wisdom of the Toltecs to guide you to a greater understanding of yourself, your purpose in life, and the essential role you play in healing an increasingly wounded world. If you recognize yourself in these words, this book is for you. Get your copy of The Flowering War, available on Amazon this winter solstice.